This is duct tape. You know what duct tape's used for? A lot of things, but not sealing off your Dana 44. This, ghetto. James Way Off-Road, Dana 44 hubcap. Not ghetto, very clean. That's what we like. This is meant to shut people up. This is meant to hold together broken things. This is maybe a tire patch. Maybe tie someone. Maybe taping your hands to 40s. That's what this is used for. Don't cover your Dana 44s with this, guys. Come on, ghetto. James Way Off-Road designed the Dana 44 hubcaps. These also come in black. Super cool. They include cap, nut plate, snap ring, and all the bolts. Now the bolts and the cap include O-rings to keep everything nice and sealed. We don't want to get water, dirt inside and destroy the bearings. All it takes is an Allen wrench. Let's put this together. So you're going to want to start with a clean surface. Insert the nut plate, super simple. Push it in there. You have your snap ring. There's a little groove inside here that the snap ring will sit into. After that, you take your cap, this kit is super affordable, easy to put together, takes a few minutes, takes an Allen wrench, that's it, and it looks clean, way cleaner than duct tape, and it does a way better job than duct tape. Duct tape doesn't do anything other than look ghetto. That's not what we want. You ain't gonna get the Instagram followers with duct tape. I'll put a link for this product in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.